Gamified e-learning in programming education, a review of research on engagement and learning. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Conventional learning methods often fall short in effectively engaging learners, hindering the development of critical programming skills in a world demanding a skilled workforce. The integration of gamification in programming education has garnered significant attention as a potential solution to enhance engagement, motivation, and academic performance among students. It transforms the learning environment by offering interactive experiences and by focusing on particular programming skills required. This review paper synthesizes findings from recent research studies on gamified coding e-learning platforms, analyzing various gamification strategies and their impacts on learning outcomes. Gamification elements like points, badges, and leaderboards foster a competitive and engaging learning environment, empowering learners to master coding skills with enthusiasm. The analysis reveals that gamification can significantly improve students' motivation and engagement, although its effectiveness varies depending on the specific context and design of the gamified elements. This paper concludes by discussing the implications of these findings for future research and the development of more effective gamified learning environments in programming education. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.